video, you have been following my two Facebook channels, which is Call Me Presh and Presh Phillips. I told you that somebody was like, can you teach us some things in Igbo? So if you go to my page, you'll find out in Presh Phillips, I talk about the greetings in Igbo language. So now I'm going to talk about the food that we have, the name in English and the name in Igbo. So let's go. The first in my list is yam. We call yam chi in Igbo. Then we have rice. Rice, we call it osikapa. Then we have beans. Beans, we call it agua. That's what we call it. Then we have cocoyam. Cocoyam is being called ede. Then we have watayam. Watayam, we call it mbala. Then we have plantain. Plantain is called okom. Then we have gari. Gari is called cassava. Gari? Gari, I don't know whether gari is. Gari, okay, we call it akbo. That's what we call it in Igbo. Then we have maize. Maize, we call it oka. So these are the food that we have in Igbo. If you know anyone, you can still drop it in the comment section. So there's a lot of things that is coming. Please help me to share. Please help me to share and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I love you.